It was at this moment that she knew. She up.
Hey, don't be scared of.
A few moments later.
In the middle of the board, tell you I'm in the field. Do it,
My intentions were good. I went through my whole career without ever mentioning it. Now it's just out of respect for not running my mouth and talking about something that I knew nothing about.
nobody, don't gotta tell nobody, nobody. I wanna steal your whole body. Don't gotta tell nobody, nobody. And feel me through your whole body, your whole body. Don't gotta tell nobody, nobody. That I'm fucking shut in order. I sneak out right now. I'm bad, thirsty for your water. Put it in my mind. I'm bad, don't get back. Deja vu was wrong. Gotta hold on, gotta live on. When it is gone, better believe on. Gotta show you. Always shine, Batman. You can Batman. You can never return, and you never come to my attention now, Batman. What's the reason why? When I say it's always not denied. My now I will never understand why these cowards bounding on the mantle.
You're not supposed to hold it. I thought you were stuck.
Yeah, in the boat.
You got one! Woo!
That was a good shot. Finally!
Good shot, bud.
Yep. That's not 20. Hey, let him run. Let him run. Just let him run. Okay, you're good. Johnny's in a fucking tank. Really? Oh, so am I.
Nice job. Nice job.
Triple down!
Damn it.
I checked that one out, Rick.
Dogging him in.
Check that one out. Thanks.
Reel down to him. Reel down all the way down to him and pick him up.
Oh, yeah. You want me to shoot him again, Zane?
There you go, guys.
Good job, everybody.
Another one.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Tried, okay? What about that one? What'd you do? Fucking miss?
Nice shot.
Yeah! You wanna come back over here? Dude, I barely got down here. Oh, god damn. Heads up. That's all clear. Digging for fucking water. Holy fuck, that's a big fish. I can't tell. Hey, you stay away from my rib. No, he's just shot in the tail. Oh,
Being attacked by the fish.
Oh shit, I kicked it all
There's
the
a
way.
fish. Hey, hey, right here. Right here. Hold on. Let her shoot at that.
let her shoot that.
Yeah!
Get it?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Real.
You're right.
Holy shit! Got her a big one!
Let me get a picture.
You want a picture with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it.
For my sister.
That's a fucking
Shot
shit.
already.
I gotta get a picture of my
I got it.
I go.
I'll tell you right now, that
Okay, hold on,
motherfucker didn't
I'm gonna
about.
Yep, I gotta get him fed back through it.
Oh!
Get back a second.
God damn, that was a fucking mammoth!
The fuck are these fish jumping back?
I'm in that big bitch! Cody, reel!
How many girls can you get on here?
There's one right there where he cuts out my head. Cuts that motherfucker in my head.
Give me a gaff!
Both my daughters bowfish, my fiance bowfishes. We have several female clients.
Hey, you ain't gonna believe this! Hey, I just got one with a gaff!
Got a boat shit.
Yeah!
Here you go.
Look at that shit, bub!
1, 2, 3.
Hey, I've got an absolute
You see how big it is?
Give me just a sec, Bubba.
Okay, apparently.
Hell yeah.
I've got a unit in this motherfucker.
Alright. I'm so big.
Hey, look at the size of this big bastard. Oh my god.
There you go. Stop it. Oh, you need your fish off there.
Yeah.
You want to give it a hug?
No!
Kiss it.
trying to grab it
No,
by the heels.
not even kissing that thing. It's a nice size though.
That's a big one.
I think
Look at him. This one's the one you shot compared to.
I skipped one off one's forehead.
Yeah!
She shot one in the air.
Let him run. Let off that T-handle. Let off the T-handle.
Yes, sir.
She shot that shit dead in the air. Fucking man.
Ah,
She's got the aim down now. Well,
Now
I know.
Now you can reel him in. What happens is this is a lot of boat, and then the fish dragging behind it. You just jerk that T-bar, it'll rip them some bitches right off.
well, that took her with it.
It did.
Holy fuck.
I'm waiting for the perfect one.
Yeah.
Oh, I did.
went from running from them to fucking slaying them.
She's still running from him. A little bit. 50, 60.
Tall, thick, like and shit. Gave me.
I'm telling you, once I told her, once it clicked.
Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Shake it, shake it.
They did say we're in before they found the right path. If you want to know the truth about what we've been going through, then try to put your phone away so you can. And we solve our problems and we all feel alone. We've all been haunted by the secrets we hold. We could fill our coffins with the rocks they have thrown. Or we could build our castles with the sticks and the stones. We've all got problems and we all feel alone. We've all been haunted by the secrets we hold. We could fill our coffins with the rocks they have thrown. Or we could build our castles with the sticks and the stones. We are the neighbors that you'll never meet. We are the strangers walking down your street. We are a million faces in the crowd. We are the ones the system's tearing down. We are the people working to survive. We are more than just our 9 to 5s. We are the shopping malls and streetcars. We are the one. It's time to tell them just who we are. I had something great. They tried to edge me out. They didn't hear my bars. They tried to tell me that I wasn't built for fame. Fast forward to when I'm fucking paid. I ain't spend a dollar on the fucking chain. I'll get my mama a house. I'll get my dad a car. I'll make my sister rich. She'll never work again. And this hater shit is so
Yeah, goddamn, what the hell's underneath of it?
Another fish. Nice shot.
Got it.
Pull him up. Reel him up.
Reel 'em up, you're good.
Yeah, just like you would a fishing pole. Hey.
It's real. Work on it, beat the shit out of it. It's real, it's real.
I see them left-handed, right-handed. I don't give a fuck.
Hey, overdapped and a come. Or improvise, adapt, and overcome. That's what. When you hot, it's hot. You know how I am with God. Oh!
Nice.
Look at that!
into what we built till we were bags. So we used blood and sweat and tears of enemies to build our flag. We built this house, we laid these bricks, we set these traps, these flames we lit. Our haters doused in gasoline they brought to try and torch us with. Let them hate, dog. Everyone will have something to say, dog. Their opinions don't mean shit. Trying to judge your engine by your paint job. Like a gravestone, I'm a cheap death. There's too much I ain't seen yet. They think that I got them way over my head, but I feel like I just got my feet wet. We're trying to dream more and sleep less. Avoid the pills when we're depressed. Remember to not be too...
Am I getting through to you? You know what's coming, you motherfuckers don't even know, do you? Take some big and some pop. Can you mix them up in a pot? Sprinkle a little Big L on top. What the fuck do you got? You got the realest and illest killers tied up in a knot. The juggernauts of this rap shit.
No, that might have
Mine's
been the one.
somewhere around. No, I don't think I hit mine there.
That's where exactly.
I know
where
your entrance hole is in the middle.
That's where I hit mine.
I don't know where the one you went.
Huge though, all of them.
Oh yeah, they're all good size.
They're invasive though.
Yep. This was really good.
That was on mine.
Yeah, that was on yours.